This is a follow-up video on the fabrication of the Team Chase diaphragm filter for the carburetor. This is the finished product. When you purchase it, I believe it's like $25, $26. You get a piece that looks like this. Not as shiny though. It's a piece of aluminum. This is actually stainless steel here, and this was polished with some blue magic. You get one of these and two of these. It's the same material, and this goes in there and gets bolted down with the two existing screws for the carburetor, where the mount that holds the little primer bulb there. So I'm filming this on my iPad mini. It's not the best video quality, but I'm going to set this down as best as I can somewhere here, and I'm going to mount it so you can see what it looks like mounted. So bear with me. Again, you can go ahead and purchase it. I felt like making it, and it ended up being a good project, a pretty decent project. It was fairly easy. I mean, you got to be good with your hands and whatnot, but it wasn't rocket science, that's for sure. A little bit of patience, you know, some Dremel cutting bits or whatnot. I believe I have the piece that I used to cut this piece out. I'll see if I find it. Again, the Team Chase one is made of an aluminum, and the metal is fairly thicker than what I used here, but I was trying to find a piece of metal that thick with a bend on it to accommodate the filter so it can hold it, and that was unsuccessful search. So I took a little ride to Home Depot, and my wife kind of helped me find the piece. Let me see if I can. Oh, here it is. Okay. Now, here's the piece I used. You can see where I cut. This is a bracket for mounting pictures or whatnot. But you can see where I got the little bend there. So I cut it along top here, and I cut that down, and like I said, with some sanding bits and some Dremel bits, you know, I got the piece to look how it looks there, and that's what it looks like mounted. It serves its purpose. It's blocking the little breather hole. Like, well, it's not. There's not one on this side, but you guys know there's a little breather hole on the other side of this that sucks in air, and you're trying to keep the debris from getting in there, from destroying your diaphragm and having issues or whatnot. The little air filter's in there, the little filter. As you can see, it fits perfectly, nice and flush. And that's what it looks like. So that was the follow-up video. FG 4-wheel drive truck. Got the Zenoa 29 in there with a DDM chrome shroud. I believe that's a CY chrome shroud. Started peeling over here though. I don't know if you can see that, but whatever. Still looks alright. I got the killer switch coming out of there. Another little project I did, I don't know if you can see it here on the throttle. It's kind of hard. Oh, there it is. A little rubber grommet there. I made that right there. I made that out of some rubber pieces that I had. Some little, it was like a big O-ring or whatever. But anyway, I made that to cover the bearing. That was another project that I did that covers the the bearing in there and the throttle body there to keep debris out of it, and it covers it pretty well. It's flush right against it, so it covers that up. Basically all this is just done to keep debris out of there, so there's less maintenance issues with your carb. So there it is. The carb is clean, no debris. I'm using the Team Gonads 3-stage air filter on this with a outerwears cover on it, pre-filter. So I mean, I've had no issues yet keeping them clean. Like I said, I took the air cleaner, the air filter off to clean it out, because it had some, I raced this mostly on the street, and dirt does build up on it. So I figured, let me just clean this one while I was at it and do this quick little video. So there it is. Thanks for watching, and there'll be more videos to come. Later.